eToro Money Crypto Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The eToro Money Crypto Wallet App is part of eToro's ecosystem, combining the power of investing and crypto management in one platform. But is it truly a convenient solution or just another extension of the exchange? Let's explore the pros, the cons, and what most people get wrong about eToro Money. First, the biggest advantage is integration. If you already use eToro for trading, the wallet connects seamlessly with your account. You can move funds, store crypto, or transfer them outside the platform without extra steps. The second pro is regulation and reliability. eToro is one of the most regulated fintech companies in the crypto world, operating under strict financial oversight. That means your wallet benefits from strong compliance and an extra layer of trust. Another great feature is multi-asset support. You can hold popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, along with fiat currencies all within one app. And transferring between assets is fast and straightforward. The wallet also allows crypto-to-crypto conversion, giving users more flexibility in managing their digital assets without sending them back to an exchange. But here come the cons. One major downside is limited control over private keys. Unlike a fully non-custodial wallet, eToro holds the keys, which means you rely on them for access and security. This trade-off favors convenience, but reduces sovereignty. Another con is withdrawal limitations. Moving crypto from your eToro account to the wallet and then to an external address can take extra steps and sometimes fees. And while eToro offers strong protection, the wallet don't support all tokens or DeFi features, limiting flexibility for more advanced users. In conclusion, the eToro Money Crypto Wallet App is ideal for beginners or investors already in the eToro ecosystem. It combines safety, ease, and simplicity, but the surprising truth is, it's still more finance than freedom. For those seeking full control, non-custodial options might still hold the edge.